Capital One Spark Miles Select pricing explained what you get for your money. The Capital One Spark Miles Select card is designed for businesses that want simple, unlimited travel rewards. Most people get this wrong. They assume business travel cards must have high fees, but the surprising truth is this no annual fee card can still deliver real value. It earns 1x miles on every purchase with no categories to track. For instance, a business spending $0 per year could earn 30 miles, which can be redeemed for flights, hotels, or even transferred to partner loyalty programs. Miles don't expire, and there is no limit to how much you can earn. Additional benefits include no foreign transaction fees, purchase protection, and travel accident coverage. Employee cards are available at no extra cost, helping your team contribute to rewards accumulation. With no annual fee, all earned miles are pure value. In conclusion, the Capital One Spark Miles Select card offers a straightforward, no-fee way for businesses to earn travel rewards on every purchase. Its unlimited earning, flexible redemption, and added protections make it an excellent choice for small to medium-sized businesses looking for a simple, rewarding travel card.